Here to give you some inspiration. This segment of the Hampton Roadshow is sponsored by Easton Outdoors. Micah Miller is the managing member. He's here to tell us that now is the time to plan for the cooler months ahead. And when you're thinking about backyards and cooler months, there's like one feature that everyone's excited about. What is that, Micah?
It's probably the #1 thing I get asked about. Anytime we're building a space, it's where's the fire pit going to go?
Where's the fire pit going to go? And
Yep.
That's what you're doing today. Is
Yes.
You're showing us where the fire pit goes.
That's right. So in this episode 12 of Revamp Recap, we're looking at this yard that actually used to have a play set. It used to have a bunch of debris, and it was just kind of an unused section of their yard. But it has one amazing attribute, which is the view. It's kind of set out with this just peninsula kind of view over the water. What better setting for a fire pit?
Okay, so when it comes to a fire pit, there are certain things you want. You want a place to sit. You want something to stand on. It's
Yep.
There's more to it than just throwing in a pit.
That's right. So in this particular fire pit, he wanted it to be gas because he doesn't want to have to go out, take the time to start a wood burning fire, and then all the work that comes with that. He wanted to be able to just turn it on, drink maybe a glass of wine, some bourbon or a beer, be out there for 45 minutes to an hour, and then go back inside. So he didn't want it to be conditional on that. So that was an important element. The other thing that was important is he wanted low lighting. So we built up a little bit of a seating wall. We put some low lighting around it, but he also wanted it to feel kind of like natural and have that aesthetic. So we added in boulders, and you see these boulders, and we put little lights on those. And then to top all this off, right? So we've got the light, the visual, we've got the heat and the flame and the fire. He also wanted some sound. So we added a bubbling rock with some water coming out of it so that you just have that light sound of the water kind of moving through the space as you're sitting there enjoying the fire.
This is kind of like a simple concept that can really elevate a normal backyard to something like an outdoor room. This really is special. What was the time frame on this?
Yes, so this entire project was done in 4 days from start to finish. That included all the piping that needed to go in for the gas line, building the entire hardscape space, and you'll notice it's elevated just a little bit, so it is up off the ground, and that included all the landscaping and water feature next to it.
It looks amazing. All right, we're going to pop up a QR code on your screen right now if you want more information or more pictures for inspiration. Get your phone pointed at the QR code. You'll get that information. And so, what was what's the cost on this?
Yes.
Because you can add to it, diminish it. You can do a little bit of everything, right?
So this space was a little bit over the top for our standard fire pit, as you can see from the pictures. So all in, this one ended up coming right around $28,000.
Okay.
And that included the gas, the burner, and this is a high output gas burner. That included, the basin for the water feature, just everything that went into this space to make it special.
And once again, it's something you can always add to too, right?
Yes. Yeah, so a lot of times, like you can see the pavers we're standing here, a lot of times people will just start with kind of a base patio like this, might be around $5,500. And then they'll say, hey, we want to kind of add a seating wall. So now you're up another $2,500. And then they'll say, hey, we want a built stone fire pit in. So another $2,250, right? Okay, add some lights underneath, another $1,000, right? So we can build it out almost like it's a Lego set, fairly modular.
Now's a great time to plan for the fall, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you want to have a September fire burning, party, it's time to get on the schedule and make it happen.
All right, Micah, as always, thank you for joining us here on HRS.
Thanks for having me.
This segment of the Hampton Roadshow is sponsored by Easton Outdoors. They're located at 550 With Creek Road in Poquoson. Give them a call, 757-262-3232, or visit easton-outdoors.com. Check out more photos on social media for inspiration. They're on Facebook and Instagram at Easton Outdoors LLC.